Last insurance. Suspect last seen on foot.
What are you doing?
Suspect last seen on a parade, motorbike.
The ladies like to rub their papers on you. That's more than
Come on, man. Shut up and get out of here. Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
No, it is not my style.
Catch you later.
If you don't work, you don't get.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between two lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
Oh, you ain't, nigga. Who do you think you are? I'm here for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
You must love the pick of the tattoo needle. Pardon me for breathing.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
Goodbye, sir.
Is that a DD or Sax by any chance?
Okay, man. Get out of here.
You better hope we never meet in a court of law.
Nice to meet you.
Get my son way.
Hey, good buddy.
Shit, I need to go to the pawn shop.
They're really tank.
Would you like my cock?
Yeah, it's horrendous.
Little child.
Watch it.
Hey there, Tiger.
How do you do, madam?
Do you like secret values?
Yes, most assuredly.
Check you later, dude.
Goodbye.
You violated my sphere. You look sharp.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
You'll never make it into my Rolodex.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?
Pussy's like porridge.